Good morning, Eileen Sharon here, live for 5. We're going to work with one weight today, just one weight. Go ahead and assume a sumo position. And this is great unilateral work. I'm going to start tapping my toes because we're going to get into it right away. Tapping your toes will help take the energy out of the knees and make your legs more dynamic. So we're going to do 4 at the base. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then arm up. 4, 3, 2, good morning, and then bring it down. Slow, controlled, and then behind the body and front. Front, shoulder rotation, front, shoulder rotation. I did this combination yesterday in my sculpting class. It's phenomenal for legs, shoulders, back. Tighten your glutes, don't arch your back. Come on down, slow negative, behind the body, between the butt, and take it front, back, front. I'm going to do this 4 times. So here's down, 2, 3, 4. The lower you can go, the better. Of course, you don't want to hurt your knees. 4, and then bring it slow. 2, 3, 4, and then front to back. Let's keep going. I want to talk about it a little bit more. Notice the position of my knees inside the ankles. Reach, tight core as you go negative. Push. You can hold another weight doing this, but I love doing it unilateral. Push, pull, push. Let's do that 2 more times. I know I was going to do it 4 times, but I want you to get the feel of these legs, the feel of the shoulders. 3, you can hear my breath already. Down, 2, 3, 4, and then front, opening the chest. Let's do 1 more. Down, 2, 3, 4, and lift. Tight core. Relax the shoulder, then bring it down nice and slow. Really controlled, front to back. Reach, pull, reach, and then I'm going to place my hands on both sides of the weight and then march. This is going to kill the legs. But notice my knee. I don't change this knee. I keep everything square. Try and turn your shoulders to strengthen the back. And I'm marching, marching. Keep marching. I'm going to do a few more. The lower you can go again, the better. But you don't want to feel this in the knees at all. Keep going. Then I'm going to do over the rainbows. Lift, tighten the core. Do it again. Lift. You got to squeeze everything tight to get it up and over. I'm going to step back so you can see my arms. Up, push. Last one. Up, push. Then I'm going to take that weight in front and pull my knees back. So notice what I'm doing. Pull the knees back, working on hip strength. Arms out in front to work that core. Shoulders down, chest up. Push, push, and push. A few more. Out, out. Then I'm going to change hands. Left, down. 2. I'm going to pick up the pace. 4, and lift. 2, 3. Relax everything in the neck and shoulders. Behind to the butt. Front, watch the shoulder. Full rotation. Again, down. I don't know about you, but if you're joining me this morning, you should be feeling it in the legs right now. I have not come up. This is great for conditioning your legs for ski season. No doubt. Forward and back. Push, reach, push. Let's go again. Tight. Notice the tapping of the toes, keeping it out, energy out of my knees. Lift. 2. All the way down slow. This is really important. Keep your shoulders square, front to back. We got a few more of those. Let's go. And down. 2. Take it on up. Power up. Relax the shoulder. Deep breath in. Slow negative. Front to back. Really feel the shoulder work to the back. I'm going to do 1 more. Press. 2. All the way up. Reach. Tight core. Negative down. Slow. We really want to open the chest. We spend so much time rounding. Pull, reach, and then on this side, place it. I know I did a couple more on the other side, but I want to get through the whole combo. Press, march it, march it, march it, chest up. Now remember, you can do this for a longer set. Take breaks in between one side and the other to make it really effective. Keep going. Then we're going to do over the rainbows. Let's go. Lift, rotate, down. Notice how much I'm turning. Very important for back and core strength. I'm going to do 2 more. Longer arms are harder. Shorter arms are easier. And then out in front, we're going to just tuck the glutes. Again, for hip strength, you're not overdoing that tuck. You just want mobility in the hips. Give me a few more. We're almost done. Squeeze, push. Last 2. Now you can come up. Walk those legs out. I hope you enjoyed this little unilateral work. I hope to see you on Wednesday for cardio dance. Send me some messages. I'll talk to you soon.